Mama Mawakwaba Bion Farmer Adom TV so your family writer Amenya Rafael DL Centro Campesta Creative we asina present and ya good yemere na so Malta Guinness and an pay omaso asene sian fan komo a etwagu enso mere e agudie kwan so yen hyase en free European Championship Euro 2024 ne hyase Friday etwamu ye games ana no odene top form ne bi ne England echere Serbia eno na dwede so ene games aro ne beto akoso wodan wani eco group here Belgium and Slovakia ne be hyase akan group eno ye yi no still ehonso Romania and Ukraine and be hyase akan na afin so game one ani be ko ho pa France and Austria game no ano be de papa internet games abeba so Euro 2024 na say Germany akomne nchiremu and amede abre wo no away from that yemre fie medin komo the Ghana Premier League match week number 34 ye prechiri and rather simultaneously any passing games ni na but e be delay kakra de but ni na mu no ye wie game no Ghana Premier League ni mu a ye hu ye champion de that and ra ye hu omo relegation na Heart of Folk relegation threaten omo de bo ma for free na de tie na se bechem na 40 na fie Heart of Folk ekobo ne kamiensa bechem atika ni mu mienu Asante Kotoko 40 na Kumase baba ya rago prama so wo mo ehye miensa mabofo akwata no atika ni mu baako inso atreman ene nation service inso atreman 40 na fie adwuma na sample 10 Nations FC antimi ante Samates na Ag League no womo enso tena fie ekere board boku mo din enso e de Accra Lions ebo mo eka mienu Accra Lions antimi ante ba kokora Mediama Sporting Club tena fie otakwa na compact me patcho de wiwie na na se Karela eto wo mo kobo mo ka ba ko a womo antimi ante Legon Cities any Gold Stars against na ewie 1-1 bia hye ne nyonko ka ba ko no Brekum Chelsea and Heart of Lions game no ho na enkomo ne gina pa 2-2 ene PMO Dreams FC ehemienu Amaduana Stars eti kanimu baako yankwa hwede twagu oni bi Ghana Premier League ni mo
Bayfields missed from close range. Here is Esibe and the Phobians have equalized. Bayfields arriving but he goes back to Kakari. Kakari checks to Salifu Ibrahim. He wants support. He finds Bayfield. Can Bayfield score? Saved by now Bayfield scores is 3-2.
We're crowned champions of Division 1, Zone 2, and 2 years later, winning the league, the top flight itself.
Good tackle there.
And they've all contributed.
Meanwhile, Accra Lions have an opportunity to come forward. And attempt to play the ball, and eventually, he scores 4 marks. The referee rules that to be fair play. Fans go into joy.
I doubt Heart of Lions will let this slip again. Mind you, they were 2 down in the opening stages of the game and they've managed to claw their way back, and I doubt they're just going to let this one slip up. All they needed going into the final day.
Opportunity for Samatex now. It's the substitute, Okran, who gets a goal. And Samatex, 1996. Our Premier League champions confirmed.
Sacrifice a lot. They are being given the heroes cheer.
Vice President, Adom,
Trophy is lifted. And FC Samatex 1996 are proud 2023-2024 GPL League champions. Edusian is ably supported by Emmanuel Kayeke. He takes the trophy over to the colleagues where they can all have the last and the biggest hooray. There we go! FC Samatex Premier League champions 2023-2024. Ayeko.
So enra and a coronation game in a basso Ewa Samurai Boy FC Samates omo ye champions omo bo Accra Lions e kam you know mo antimi antia omo age league trophy ne deda enra ene ye praprachi e de trophy ne show mon sem say Ghana Premier League now 3 teams are confirmed officially ya relegate omo call Division 1 na teams ni Accra Great Olympics and so enra be kan 2 teams ho a woman so echo relegation RTU and afin so bofo akwatano the other 2 teams are almost call relegation to Ghana Premier League at the end of the season me pacho the table ne tie nie nti FC Samates 61 points and omunya ya omo top group no Accra Lions of 4 to so mienu enya 51 points into between Samates 1996 and Accra Lions no 10 points gap and omo de twim kwaji league no Berekuma Chelsea eto so miensa 51 points and omunya ya Diana Stars eto so 9 50 points and omo amanse 5th position ayenso atreman 50 points and omunya ya Krobia Metema Asante Kotoko eto so nsia 49 points and omo so nyagu omo futum Nations FC eto so nson 49 points Mediama Sporting Club eto so nwotwe 49 points na omo so nya Dreams FC eto so nkron 48 points Bechem United 4 to so eye edu omo so nya 48 points into first 10 no and Amedia Bra way Ghana Premier League 2023-2024 season no say net here the otoso du baako eye Bibiani Gold Stars omo enya 47 points Kerala United 4 to so dumienu omo nya 46 points 13th on the league log Hearts of Lions omo nya 45 points Accra Hearts of Folk eba 14th obi bese eka kete omo nya 45 points Legon Cities eto so dunum 15th omunya 45 points Great Olympics and equal relegation to last 3 from 16th to 18th ya relegate to Great Olympics enya 44 one kan be mu okọ bofo akwatano eto so 17th onya 33 okọ dada RTU for krade omuni Great Olympics game one esen kom bebo ne no ada wa Accra Sports Stadium no omo si berebere ama ne ama omo ama kra no mabebo game no to omo de omo call relegation dada 31 points and omunya ye nti wo hwe table no a final table no say na kika de ko wie ya game ba ko ano ye denepa Heart of Lions sa time anomo bo game e wo Berekum na omo twen se bi ombenya babaako na afi omanya draw na omo de a survive ya enti omo enya babaako amu wie 2-2 no ene nam so ma Great Olympics e call relegation to omo 2-2 no ene kan Great Olympics fo achi e momo so call relegation to Ghana Premier League no ya prapra chire ya wie season na kona wie ye twen next season ya hu 3 teams a ya promote omo ba Premier League no from Division 1 ene ya hu 3 teams a omo free Premier League no a omo so do omo ni Division 1 a chire nkomo na and Amedia Brew young faster that Kessie Emma Malta Guinness. It's always a good time. So when you Malta Guinness now Bobia a Ghana's favorite malt no when say Malta Guinness is say no and a correct pa say a gumina say ko yi into that jeje can new can na ba no me pa twa wunya bi na obogu mina say ya no pa o say ya wie o say ya nwumre o koda o Malta Guinness and a Ghana agiatum the same authentic refreshment and rich with immune boosting vitamin B into open nutrient in no bia wo hia say drink ebe buy wo mu no Malta Guinness ekita bia onya be boa pa into na no pa yi men come for man say oh grab it and ice cold Malta Guinness in the new Jaja can now I enjoy a world of good always obe check say made in Ghana logo no enso eda ho no wapibi no abobo odi aseda amaye chire because Malta Guinness Ghana's favorite Malta obiara agiatum yenyina we so yemfa na no pay som no emfancy ye from a writer amenyo Rafael de Centro Campesta Creative we asiri na present ne happen atechirema besia yinkonya